The Apple AirPods 4, while one word mulled in any sound or music kind of ear, is the Apple AirPods 4. Oh, how we look forward to it. A listening experience that takes you to the depths of sound. Let us explore deep down these sonic depths and find out what the professionals do. Apple AirPods 4 noise-canceling neat feature. The basics. The AirPods 4 is the fourth attempt developed from the very first generation of Apple's true wireless earbuds. They are like the cool cousin standing in between the base AirPods and AirPods Pro in the family of AirPods. These discreet little oral nuggets are offered in two models. The base model priced at $129, still without noise-canceling feature, rather rich inside. The premium model worth $179. This one's got the magic, the active noise cancellation ANC. Wow. It is as though one has turned the world's sound off. Hush. To noise-making devices. What makes them special? Design and fit. Apple seems to have abandoned the silicon's ear tips, which is interlinked with silicone AirPods for ear. They specialize in this type of ear plus, so it requires no ear tip plugging. Apple believes that this latest design will accommodate a more diverse range of ears. And hey, they weigh in at a mere 4.3 grams per bud, which is so light that you might even forget that you are wearing them. Dove. Magic of the H2 chip. Embedded within these tiny pods is the same H2 chip as the one found in the AirPods Pro. Long story short, the performance will be snappy, the pairing sensational, the sound overall magic. Check the improved sound aspect? Check. Region where excellent voice calling capabilities apply? Double check. Persona.